Hey fun parents! Alright, so I did this video on a DIY learning board and I did Minnie Mouse, and when I did that video I actually cut out all the materials by hand and it was a lot of work. I also did this video on how to do an interactive learning board. Well, I got a lot of positive feedback from doing these learning boards, and some of the biggest feedback I had was, can you just do mine for me? Or I don't have time to sit here and look up all the letters and cut them out. Well, I'm coming here today to say I'm going to make your life even easier so that your child can enjoy their very own learning board. Hey fun parents, welcome back to Everything Aja. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Aja. Here on Everything Aja, we do parenting and teaching the fun way, okay? Join a community where we are dedicated to shape the future through building stronger families, lasting memories, and building self-sufficient kids. You can do this by simply liking, subscribing, and clicking the bell. So I did this Minnie Mouse learning board, which is pretty girly, but you guys know I have a 2-year-old girl. And once that video was released, I got requests for me to do other learning boards. I also got messages of people saying, okay, I got my trifold board, but that's about it. What do I do next? So I created my very own learning board package that all you will have to do is buy it from Teachers Pay Teachers and then download it. You don't have to search for letters and numbers and create your own this and create your own that. I did it for you. I created 3 different learning board packages. One that's for girls that is pink and purple, one for boys that is blue and red, and then a multicolor package that you can use for either gender. All 3 packages even come with a black and white set, so you have everything you need to make your child's learning board so they can have their very own circle time right here at home. And most of us like a good themed learning board, so I did this learning board with Minnie Mouse. So today you're gonna see me make a Paw Patrol learning board using my very own learning board packet that you can get down below in the comments, so make sure you check out the Teachers Pay Teachers link. Now, because I was going for the Paw Patrol theme, I didn't use my letters for the name at the top. I actually went online and just Googled Paw Patrol letters, and that's how I got the letters in order to make the board. If your child wants a good theme on their learning board, I suggest you going online and printing pictures of that said theme. That way your learning board has a special theme. But other than the name at the top, everything you will see is included in that DIY learning board package. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing me doing yet another learning board. If you haven't seen this video or even this video on learning boards, I suggest you check them out right now. And don't forget the most important thing down below in the description. Go ahead and click the link so that you can get your own learning board packet today. If you're not a member of the community already, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell. And if you have a toddler, preschooler, please check out my playlist. I have games and activities you can do with your child because we do parenting the fun way.